All right, we just got this in the mails. And I do believe it's one of those things you put on your face or forehead or your eyes. And it's supposed to be infrared, red, I don't know. We're going to find out. Let's go ahead and open it up. Ba-ching. Let's put that over there. Comes with this. Screenshotage. Oh, here it is. Look. That's it right there. Okay, so let's see if we can get it out of here. Oh, look at that. All right, so this is it. I have no idea how this works. Apparently, it's got music that comes through it, and you gotta charge it, I would believe. I think there's a charging port right there. It's a USB-C, so we gotta charge it up. I'm thinking it probably does come with, let me put it right on here for now. All right, I'm thinking it does come with some kind of ancillary things. Let's see what these are. All right. Oh, here, check it out. We got a cord. What else is in here? Oh, you got a bag to put it in. See that? Okay, that's empty. Here, I dropped some stuff. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. So anyway, you get, this is like Apple. You know, you get one of these weird things, and you get one of these. They must make these in the same place they make Apple products. Is it the packaging, everything, the whiteness, all looks the same. You know what I mean? So let's take a look at this thing. See what we got. All right. Oh, this is a pretty good. Oh, look, it comes with this too. I like this. I love it when they have one of these on here. But this is long. Look at this. Look how long it is. It's over 6 feet. So it's USB-A, USB-C. So I guess you could, you know, plug it in and have it on your head and, you know, be this far away. It's maybe longer than 6 feet. I don't know. So anyway, that's that. On here, there's your port. And it has like some kind of a thing going on here and something going on here. So I'm not quite sure how it works, but we're gonna have to read up on it and see. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll come back and show you how to use this thing. But that's the unboxing. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff with stuff like this and unbox it and stuff. But I am gonna show you guys how to use it too. So just hang in there.